Alam nyo ba na pagdating sa Lianli Power Supply, at first player, iisa lang yung manufacturing site. Yan yung pag-uusapan natin with this video.
This is the first step for PSU manufacturing. Okay.
So last year, we visited the site kung saan ginagawa ang first player products. And that is by their company, Heli. So siya po yung OEM manufacturer ng iba't ibang brands. Pero sa ngayon, pupuntahan natin yung about sa Lianli. So nung pumasyal tayo dito, Lianli po ang nakasalang sa kanilang production. So kung kayo ay nahihirapang makahanap ng Lianli Power Supplies or nabibigitan sa presyo ng Lianli, you may consider to have the first player. Pero, parehas nga ba yung quality? Pagdating sa design, may pagkakaiba pa rin po ang first player at saka Lianli. Pero pagdating sa mga quality of materials, raw materials, most likely the same. Or if not all, they share the same components between their product. Kaya mapapansin natin napaka-premium ng pricing pagdating sa casing ng Lianli. They have the 25K, they have this 8K, halos yung pinakamura nila, halos hindi bumababa ng 4K to 5K. Yan ay pinakamura ha. Pero magugulat ka pagdating sa kanilang power supply, medyo hindi ganun kamahal. Kasi nga yung production niya is outsourced sa first player mother company, which is Heli. So para hindi tayo mapahaba, I'll be sharing more details about how things work. Dahil hindi lang Lianli. We also have Witness, Fantex, Seasonic, di ba nagulat kayo? Galax, and other brands na ginagawa mismo during the time of our visit. For more fun fact on how things works behind this industry or behind the manufacturing of power supplies and other brands, feel free to follow us.